Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover Snapchat account without email and phone number. So if you lost sign in info on your Snapchat because you forgot your password, you also forgot the emails that you are used or the phone number, you can just follow these steps right here to help you fix that. So first you can just go to your browser. In here I'm going to just open a new tab, and then you can just go to this page, support.snapchat.com, and then hit on enter. Okay, so this is where you can ask the Snapchat support team for help. You can see the sort of a lot of problems that you're facing with your Snapchat. So in here you can just scroll down, and here you need to choose contact us. Okay, so you need to submit a request. What can we help you with? So you need to choose the problem in here. So for example, I can access my account in here, and in here tell us more. You need to choose the reason. For example, I forgot my password. Okay, just wait, and in here you need to scroll down, and you'll see this the Snapchat support team will show you the alternative solutions. You need to visit the Snapchat account site, and here you can also reset your password, and but to reset your password you need your phone number or email, but since you don't have that access, so you need to scroll down again and click on yes in here. So you can see this form. What you need to do is fill in the username with your Snapchat username. Here you can also enter the email, so make sure that the email address in here is the active one, because they will send you the confirmations through the emails. And also the phone number, make sure that you are have also access to the phone number that you are using in here. And in here you can just describe the problem. So for example, in here I'm going to fill in the description to the support team. For example, their Snapchat team, you can just say that I forgotten my email and phone number associated with my Snapchat account. So you can just convey to them that you want assisting in recovering your Snapchat account in here, and after that you can tap on submit, and after that you can just wait until the Snapchat team contact you through the email or phone number. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.